So today we're gonna be changing a cabin filter for this RDX 07. For that, just have to come down here to the glove box, open it up. There's this tab right here which is broken on mine apparently. That guy right there. That right there. And once that is open, you just pull that inwards. Both of these inwards, these little tabs, they kind of bend. Opens up, air filters right there. Just open it up. So pinch these inwards and it just comes out, tells you where the airflow is. And that's a nasty cabin filter. Let's just compare that to the new one. Yeah, you can see how dirty that is. So I'll just replace this and we'll just put that back. There, we've got that, and the filter should tell you where the airflow should go. So should the plastic thing. And you just slide it right in. There you go. Your cabin filter is done.